Hello, everyone. It would be Tuesday, August 25th. Let's walk through what you need to do today just in case something happens and you need these little extra sets of directions. Um, Today is the last day for the ready jars. I cannot tell you how horrible my classroom smells right now. So if you're at home, be thankful there is not smell-o-vision. But we started ranking them in order of the worst smelling jar to the best smelling jar because they just stink. So today, you're going to start here, ready jar wrap up. The video will be there. It's not there yet. I need to upload, but it will be there. Okay, so make sure you go to your Google Drive, grab your Ready Lab. You're going to submit it, or you're going to finish it, and then you're going to submit it up here under activities. You will find there is now a spot for you to upload that lab sheet to me. Okay. Before you can finish your lab sheet, though, you need to watch this parts of an experiment video that I created for you. Okay, it's going to go through those last four-ish questions, I think, at the bottom of the document with all the different types or parts of a scientific experiment. So this video is going to help you finish this ready jar. Okay, so the ready jar lab is due today. We're going to make final observations. You're going to watch this video to help you answer the bottom questions. And then you are going to go up here to activities and submit. Hopefully that's clear so far, so good. For today's activity, the question is it alive or is it not? Okay, is it living or is it non-living? And we've talked about all those characteristics of life with the rare hog. If you need to look back at that, I think that was Friday. You can go back and look at the rare hog video. But for today's activity, you're going to click on your living or non-living observation sheet. Always make your own copy as we wait for it. Up here at the top, remember you're going to put your name, okay? And then we have 7 slides. I think it's 7 slides. 7 slides you're going to look at. You need to decide, is it a living thing or a non-living thing? And then give me your evidence or your observation. So it's not enough to say, I know bacteria is living. I need more than that. I need to know, how do you know that that bacteria, just looking at it under a microscope, is alive? The same thing with like the human cheek cell. Is it living? Is it non-living? And how do you know? What is your evidence? So what is your reasoning behind that? Yeah, so a couple pieces of evidence for each would be great. To look at these, the pictures, it says look at the picture for each side. Your pictures are back on your PowerSchool page. I literally took majority of these with my own microscope, and the slides with that came with our textbook. So you can click through the slides. They're all labeled as to what they are, and they should all go in order. Okay, so you're going to look at each slide, determine if it is a living or a non-living, and tell me why. It's not enough just to say, I know, or I know leaves are alive, or they come from trees that were alive. I need to know what part of this picture gave you that idea that it's living versus non-living. Okay, when you're done with this living versus non-living, there will be a discussion question. I haven't posted it yet because I didn't want people to jump the gun and get ahead of themselves. Okay, but back up under activities, because we're not submitting the lab sheet. Okay, back under the activities is going to be a discussion question that you're going to have to participate in. So 2 things to go to activities for today. Turn in your Ready Lab and do your discussion question. I am hoping this will help you out. Again, you can follow your orders over here if that will help you. we're trying. And if you have any suggestions on what we could do better to help you at home while you're at home, please drop us a message. We are listening and we're trying our best to help you out. Okay. If you have questions, let us know and we will see you next time.